Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on this Ford Transit. So the service light is just down there, that spanner. So I'll show you how to reset that now. We'll go ahead and turn the ignition off. Make sure the ignition is off. So now we'll proceed to resetting the service light. What we'll do is we'll turn on the ignition. Now with the ignition on, go ahead and depress both the brake and the accelerator right down to the floor. And just wait till the spanner flashes, the one I just showed you earlier down here. Can take 15 seconds, if not a bit more sometimes. There we go. So it's flashing. So now we can go ahead and release the pedals. And now we can turn off the ignition. Give it about a minute or two, let the vehicle go to sleep, and then we'll go ahead and start the vehicle up. So you want to reset the service light every time you service the vehicle. If you want to see how to service this particular Ford Transit between the years 2008 to 2014, just check out my channel or check out the description below. I'll leave all the links there. And now that the light's been reset, we'll go ahead and start the vehicle. And now it's all perfectly been reset. So if you want to see the full video on how to service this vehicle, do check it out. Link is down in the description below. If you have the previous generation Ford Transit, I've got a lot of videos on that model as well. So do check it out. Stay tuned and subscribe. And I hope this video was of some help to you. Thanks everyone. See ya.